Like we having a missing value is made in database table. If you are going with the database table, if there is a no value, means there is a missing values are there, we are going to using a null value. Or if there is unknown values are there, means what sort of value we have to insert in there, we don't know that. Then we are going to using a unknown null value. Again, unavailable value, means there is no value is there existing. So what to do means what type of value we have to be inserting in the particular data, we don't know that. Means that is the meaning of unknown value. Again we are going to using a null value. And there is one more we have it. Incomplete data. What is the meaning of that? Incomplete data. For suppose we are going to take the phone number. Now you can take that maybe something like that. We have some number. Means here in this phone number we are going to be missing a one data. One number digit is missing here. Means if the data is there, but it's not a valid. Okay, it's not a valid. So we can call them as an incomplete data. Again, in this particular incomplete data also, we are going to be using the null value. We are going to be using as a null value. Okay, this is about the importance of null value. Then coming to the next constants, where we are going to use the constants, how we are going to use them. Okay, so here in this constants, we have here certain types of constants and rules are there. Okay, suppose we have 6 constants. Please be noted. Number 1 is a not null constant is different type of constant we have. One is not null, one is not null. One is not null. Number 2 is a default. Default. It's a not null. Default, unique, not null, default, unique, and the fourth one is check. Fourth one is a check. Fifth one is a primary key, and sixth one is a foreign. Okay, sixth one is a foreign. Now, so far we seen about that. Where we are going to be using a null value, right? Where we are going to be using a null value. But here we are discussing about the not null. Not null means we don't want to use null value. Where we are not going to be using. Bottom. Okay. Suppose the not null is specification properties of a insertion of a null value means that certain attribute is there, like your rule number is there. So I can't use the rule number as a null value. I can't use that. Means I am talking of the primary key of my table. Okay? Means whenever we are using any of the keys of primary keys or anything, it should not be null. It should not be null value. Means any of the data, like I am using a student info. In that student info, I am taking as a primary key as my roll number. So rule number is never going to be null value. Okay? Suppose you are going to open account in a bank. Okay? So I am using account number is a null value. Why? Because the account number is a primary key for me. Okay? So I can say that any of the primary keys of any of the table should not be null. Okay? It should not be null value. Because you can see here, we want to create one table and we want to give some instructor name. So somebody is taking a class there and we don't know any of the name particular person. So instructor name can be null value? No, it should not be null. Okay? So by simple, you can say that any of the tables containing of the primary keys or whatever may be, the primary key should not be null value. So that is the reason. Whenever we create a table, please observe here, create a table here person. Here I am having an ID. What I am mentioning here, ID, data type is integer, and you please check out there, it should not be not null. It should not be not number. Okay? And then what I am using here, property 2, it should not be, it should be unique. It should not be null value and it should be unique. You know the meaning of unique, right? It should not be repeated. So it should be unique. Okay? Again, when I am talking about the last name, I am talking as a not a null value. Means last name I am not using a null value, but I am not saying this is a unique one. Means suppose that the last name is there, you can use the last name when I am using the last name. So suppose I am writing someone as a Sri. Okay? If I am going to be inserting one more letter, again I can use the Sri value. Why? Because I am not saying that this is a unique one. Only I am saying that it's a null value, not a null value. It means it should not be zero. It should not be null. Other than that, anything it will be accepted. Okay? Can you go to the next one? So here in this you can see that already we see that unique value. What is the meaning of unique? Means it should not be duplicated. It should not be duplicated. It should not be repeated. It should not be repeated. It should not be duplicated. But it should be unique one. Okay? So unique means, so again we are creating one table here. So what was saying that create a table person. ID is not null, but I am not considering unique now. So last name is something not null. Okay? So if I want to check that, so this is about the default value. Sorry. So again you can see that create a table ID unique last name. Okay? So ID integer. I am not saying that not null now, but I can say that unique. You should have some value, but it should be unique. Okay? That's about the unique. Then what is the meaning of default? What is the meaning of default? Means suppose while you inserting any of the data, might be you are forgetting to enter some data of last name. You are not entering last name ki data enter cheyaleru. What we are doing? మనం ఒక default value to define చేయాలి. ఏంటి? You can see here I am creating one table. Create a person. Integer is not there. Last name is something not there. First name is okay. Now first name where here default is equal to Sri. What is meaning of that? Means it is the meaning of Sri. Means so if I am going to be inserting some data, if I am forgetting first name ki nenu data enter marchipayanu anukondi, adem chestante it will be going to be replacing with Sri value. It will be going to replace with the Sri value. Default whenever the data is not there, no data is going to be entered in that, then it will be going to enter again Sri as a default value. Okay? So then again we have a check value. What is the meaning of check? So again check means we can have some condition property. Why not? You can check it out that. So whenever I am entering the data path or anything, I can use check value. A is equal to greater than or 80 or A is equal to less than or 20. So whenever I would like to insert in data, there itself I can able to check the value. If the value is more than 18, I can able to insert the data. Otherwise I don't want to insert. So that's the value of check. And you know about the primary key. Primary key is the one key which is a not null, unique one. There is no duplication. There is no replicated. The primary key is the one key which is going to be unique by identifier of the record of the particular table. Okay? So then we can call it the primary. Now coming to the foreign, what exactly known as the foreign key means if suppose we have one table here. So we have two different tables here. This so we have two tables. Like one is the employee table. Like I am having one employee ID. Okay, employee ID, employee name. Okay, employee name, and I am having department. I am having department name, and I am having salary. Okay, I am having salary. So this is the one table. Okay, this is the one table I am having. Okay, am I clear? This is the one table I am having. Okay, I am having one table. Okay. Okay, so this is the employee info. What is this? is the employee info table. One more table I am having here. So here I am having one more table. This is I can call them as a department info. Okay. Here